Hi everyone, welcome to TOUREY. In this video, I'll show you how to change your laptop or computer background on either Windows 10 or Windows 11. First, you're going to right click on your desktop, then select personalize. Then from there, you will choose whether you want a solid color, slideshow, or a picture to act as your background. First, let's try a solid color. Here, you get the option to choose any color of your choice to act as your background. For example, gold. Then you have blue. And finally, for our test today, green. You can also customize the color to suit your preferences. Next, we have slideshow. Here, we can select all the images we would like to act as our background image, then put them into one folder, and then select the folder for the slideshow, just like this. In the slideshow, you have an option to time how long an image should appear as your background. For example, a minute, 30 minutes, an hour, a day, or so on. Finally, we have picture backgrounds. Here, we can choose one of the Windows image. These are the ones that comes by default when you install Windows, or we could just select one random photo of your choice. You can also choose how you'd want it to appear on the screen, either fill the screen, fit the screen, stretch, tile, center, or span. All that will depend on your preferences. And that's how to change your computer or laptop background. Thank you for joining us on this TOUREY adventure. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on this, drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more tech insights, reviews, and comparisons. Until next time, take on.